Hey everyone, how's it going? I don't know about you guys, but I'm definitely excited for the new Venom movie coming out soon. So, in honor of this movie coming out, I want to show you guys how to draw Venom. Now, I have shown you guys how to draw like a cartoon Venom and Venom's face and Among Us and even a Godzilla Venom, but this is just going to be a regular, normal, kind of comic book style Venom. So, hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with Venom, we're going to begin with the eyes. So, I'm going to start right here. And I'm going to make a little line that's going to go down and then up. I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm just going to go down and then up. Next, I'm going to bring this up and I'm going to curve it like this. Do the same thing here. I'm going to bring this up and then curve it. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this down. We're going to make it nice and round and then come up to a point. We'll do the same thing here. We're going to bring this down. We're going to make it nice and round. And then we're going to bring it up here to a point. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come up like this. And then I'm going to add the teeth onto Venom. So to do this, I'm just going to make some long, sharp, pointy teeth that come all the way down. And they're going to go all the way across and back up to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come in. Then I'm going to go over and then up to here. Now, starting right across the bottom, I'm going to add some more sharp teeth for Venom, and I'm going to make them come up. And then over here, I'm just going to add a couple. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a long, kind of wavy line like this for his tongue. I want to make it come to a point. I'm going to make it nice and skinny, and then I'm going to make it get bigger and bigger as it comes back in here. Then I'm just going to make a little line that comes down here. Now, starting out here, I'm going to make a line that goes out and then in, out and then in. I'm going to make a line that's going to go up, it's going to come around, and then down like this. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down on each side. Then I'm going to bring this down. We're going to go over and then up here. Now, once we have that, we want to work on the body. So one of the first things I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come down here. And then I'm going to make a line that's going to come up here. Next, I'm going to make this line. I'm going to draw it coming down here. And then I'm going to bring it back to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line right to here with a curve. We'll make another big curved line right here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down to here. And then I'm going to make his claws on here. So to do this, I'm going to make a line that's going to go out. It's going to come down to a point and then back up. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down to a point, and then it's going to curve around here. I'm going to draw another one here. It's going to go down to a point, and then come back up. And then one more. It's going to come down to a point, and then up. Then I'm just going to connect this line right over here. Now, starting up here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up here. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out and down like this. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. It's going to come to a point and then back up. Do another one that's going to go up. It's going to come to a point and then back. And then one more. It's going to come down to a point and then back here. Now I want to make a line that's going to come down. It's going to come up and right there for kind of like his thumb. Next, I'm going to add another line right here. And I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up to here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down to here. It's going to jump over the tongue and come right to there. Now, starting here at the tongue, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. And then I'm going to make a line that's going to come up to right about here. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to curve down. And I'm going to start here, I'm going to make another one that's going to curve down to here. It kind of looks like his body's kind of twisting. Now, starting out here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down with a curve. Then I'm going to bring it up to here. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. We're going to come up and around like this. Starting here, we're going to draw another line that curves down for part of the leg. I'm going to bring this line over to here. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come down. Then I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come down to that leg. This time we're going to go down, and we're just going to come up to about here. Then I'm going to add just a little line over here for the foot. Now over here, I'm just going to make this tongue a little bit longer so it kind of breaks that space just a little better. Now the last thing on Venom is I want to add his kind of big, spider print that he has right in the middle of his chest. So to do this, what I'm going to do is we're just going to make a little line that's going to go down. It's going to come over and then up. Make a little line that goes out and down like this for the top of it. Then we're going to make a little line that comes down on each side. Now starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up. It's going to come down and then up again. Then over here we're going to go up, down, and then up again. Now starting here, I'm actually going to draw a line that's going to go down. It's going to go up and then down. And then over here we're going to make a line that's going to go up, down, up and down again. We're going to bring these lines in a little bit. We're going to make a line that goes down on each side. We're going to come down. I'm going to go up, over, and then down for the bottom. Now inside of here, I'm going to add 3 little lines. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up, down and up, down and up. And then this one we're just going to go down and up, and we'll just kind of end it like that. Over here we're going to go up and down, and then up and down like this. Now the final thing on here is I just want to add a couple little details. So one of the things I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a couple little lines kind of right across the front of his mouth. I'm going to add a couple little extra lines kind of right along his tongue. I'm going to add a couple little lines
right here by his eyes, and a few little broken lines kind of by his head. A couple little broken lines right here. Then I'm going to add a couple little like curved lines on here to kind of show that he's got claws. So we're just going to do these on all of the fingers, and we'll put a couple little extra lines in there too, just for a little bit of detail. So we'll add just a couple little lines. I'm going to add just a little line over here for his knee, and a couple more little lines. And I'm going to add just a few little extra lines right around here, just for a little bit of detail on here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Venom. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.